Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Virtualization must be enabled in UEFI. This lets Hyper-V access CPU features. Once done, make sure you run Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise because Home lacks the full Hyper-V role. Next, allocate resources, at least 4 GB RAM and 20 GB disk, for a smooth guest experience. Why? Because Hyper-V creates isolated hardware profiles. Insufficient memory or disabled virtualization will prevent VM creation. Now, reboot to firmware and flip on VTX or AMD-V, then return to Windows. Once back in Windows, install Hyper-V using Control Panel or PowerShell. This adds the Hyper-V Manager and services. Then open Hyper-V Manager and create an external virtual switch to give guests network access through your physical NIC. This ensures internet connectivity and proper bridging. After that, create a new VM. Pick Generation 2 for UEFI boot, assign CPU cores and 4+ GB memory. Create a VHDX of at least 20 GB and attach the OS ISO. This sequence ensures firmware, networking, and storage align correctly. You finish by powering the VM and walking through the guest OS installer. Once installed, add Hyper-V integration services or enable guest services so time sync and drivers work well. Make sure secure boot and generation selection match the ISO. Mismatches stop booting. If things go wrong, first verify virtualization remains enabled in firmware and that Hyper-V services are running, then check virtual switch bindings. One key tip: if network connectivity breaks, toggle the switch type or reassign the physical NIC and restart the host network stack. This often resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.